Hello? Wait. That's not the window that's supposed to be up. This is the window that's supposed to be up. Correcto mundo. We now have music by Kanojos. This was very exciting. And welcome, LCOLONQ. Oh shit! I've seen your shit. I know who you is. Oh fuck. You got the based ass shaders. Damn, welcome. Which is in here? Alright. The Android emulator. Yeah, we'll have the waifu with us while we're coding. Let's see, who should we haven't had a waifu for a while. Who looks fun? They're pretty interesting. Ibuprofen and Benadryl right next to each other. As it should be. Are these missing thumbnails because I need to fix them on the server, or does something happen? Ooh, I like her. Damn. I feel like I don't even recognize half these bitches. Cute. Cute. Darla. I'm gonna get these things working again. There's 700 Kanojos that I have to fix images for. Or I have to go through to fix images for. I try to do it in chunks of 10 whenever I see an error. So I'm gonna have to go through and look at the error log. They'll probably tell me who's busted. Wait, where did the two go that didn't have icon? Oh, they're there. Okay. Thought it might have been a cache error. Huh. I'm having thoughts of redesign ideas, but right now, that's not what we're worrying about. Chocolate grape. Am I chocolate grape? Yes, I am chocolate grape. Okay. So the thing we want to do is we need to get the date and the item system working. I feel hot all of a sudden. Where do I start? Is that red? Is that okay? That's red. Unresolved reference size. What? What do you mean, unresolved reference? What? Why are you not resolving the references? It has been like a long time. Where I don't even know where I keep half this shit. It's not under preference. Cache. There we go. Dynamic image cache should have size. What's your problem? Overrides nothing. Wait. Uh-oh. Mr. Why is it suddenly not identify Android X? I mean, can we still build? I'm already getting hot. I'm gonna take off my sweatshirt. I am free. But I had to take off my glasses so now I can't see, so, whoopsie. Add OS. Not OS ton, but a browser ton figure and a website ton figure arrived today. I'm very happy. And I immediately diminished the value of them by opening them. Because they had been unopened since 2005. But they're mine now, I do what I want. Okay, so why does it not... Why is this not resolved? What's your issue? We have this. How did the build go? Build finished. Okay, well, I'd like my IDE not to be busted the fuck. And Visual Studio Code has made me think that the bottom thing goes down with Control J, because that's all I use at work. It's okay, we'll just deal with it. It's fine. Probably. Alright, well, the main thing we need to worry about is... Dato. I think the dates will probably be the easiest to implement first. There's a model list there we're receiving. Alright. Kanojos activity. Okay, so... Oh, it's Kanojos. I'm looking for Kanojo room. Do we have that open? Yes. Okay. I did a dialogue overhaul last time, so now I definitely want to get the dating and shop systems working. I'm zoning out a little bit, ever so slightly. Here we are. Kanojos room date button. I have no idea how readable the code is. If it's not very, I'm sorry. But I got really sick of not being able to see a bunch of my code at once. Well, it looks like this could be... It's got a bunch of returns in here. Like as if you were watching a cartoon with fake code, but it's mostly visible. I mean... I've yet to reproduce that error when we were playing It Takes Two. But... I know, but maybe somebody... Yeah, but someone else in chat might be interested in reading it. Maybe. I think I could if I need to, but it would be kind of a pain. Okay. We can get rid of the return. Hi, Mon. It's good to see you. I hope you have a good night, Mon. Sleep tight, sweet Mon. Sweet gummy bear. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Très cool. Are you speaking French? Bonsoir. Intent 3. Why is it intent 3? Well, I guess that's intent 2 and that's intent 1. So sure. It pains me to have this in else if. It really doesn't need to be. Well, I guess it does now, but feel like yandere div. Ugh. Just separate that a little bit for my sanity. Okay, no judge is not equal null. I don't know why that would be the case. So if Kanojos is null, then we have other problems. Start activity for result. Request Kanojo items. Kanojo items activity, okay, I forgot all my keyboard shortcuts. No, it's not Control H. Okay, it's not that either. Vegas Keter. What if I tried H and I? H, K, I, Control G. Control N? Yes! Control N. Alright, Kanojo items activity. Alright, we're coming into here. And then we are... You sleep good now, man. We're sending the Kanojo, and we are sending base interface extra Kanojo item mode date. So it's telling us that we want date. Okay. Display metrics. I have not really cleaned out this class since the decompile. And it probably needs some refactoring. Alright, so that's where this date comes from on the title string. Let's open up the, this. Okay, that's a lot of modes. It's an async task, okay. I had two ways I could take care of today, and that was I backport stuff to Android version 9 or API 9, or I work on the shop. And I decided to work on the shop. Okay, this interface, extra item, extra Kanojo. We have extra Kanojo, and we have item mode. Okay. And list view. This is a very old way of doing this. But I'm not sure if I want to actually put the effort in to change it all. Could. Might be a pain in the ass though. And I also don't remember how to do it off the top of my head because it's been like half a year since I've worked on this. Alright, case, date, break. Alright. Okay. What's your complaint? Alright. This is gonna be a pain in my badootie. Alright, we got an M listener. That's on create. Get client view. Alright, that's not even part of anything. Item's not equal null will always be true. Are you sure about that? Just gonna put that there. Alright, now I promised my mom I would check on her since she's shoveling the driveway. So I'll be right back to make sure she's okay. Hello. Wait a minute. Hold on a second here. I need to rename my filter, like my transitions, because I do not know. Back from BRB, okay. That I can understand. Jesus, okay. The scuff is real, everyone. Hmm. The current Google Market is not supported in old app. Okay, well, we're not doing that. You used to be able to buy merch in this game, and that baffles me. Maybe we can find a way to, like, export stuff to, like, Redbubble directly. Or, like, some random merch shop. Better yet, why don't we just, like, if we can we generate the merch images and just, like, say, have at it, kid? Put this on a shirt if you want it. Make it a sticker. I don't give a shit. Alright. Mode date. Mode extend date. Mode date and mode extend date both go to next mode. What do we do in next mode? That is category. Which... I think part of it is we're not even giving good data. So maybe that should be what we focus on. We haven't really found where we go for somewhere in here is, I'm not sure how meticulous I want to go. Load items task. I do need to clean these up. I don't remember how. I do not remember how I'm supposed to clean up async tasks. Part of me is like, is that something I should even be worrying about? Well, it could be breaking something, so it's probably better to do it than not to do it. How did I do this? Okay, activity alright, we need to get the activity. Okay, I feel so spoiled having, like, been using Kotlin and Python. Actually, I haven't even been using those lately. What have I even coded in lately besides the work language I have? It's been spoiling me, it's been ruining me. All right, and then this is what primarily I need to add to everything. So what's your problem? Return? Return null. Post execute? Fuck out of there. On canceled? Yeet. Alright, that should solve. Oh wait, I gotta make it static, don't I? Yeah, static class. And then it becomes activity dot just throw a activity dot in front of all this. And it will look ugly as sin, but it will at least be static. Right, okay. Fuck, thought I could get away with, aren't these like the same thing? Decompiled code's a marvel. Alright, it's static. Yippee! Whew. Good to see a beautiful person today. Oh my god. Who? Shut up. Thank you. Need to make more emotes. Welcome to the party. Oh my god! Jade! Jade! Welcome! How was your Minecraft? How was Minecraft?
Was a Pokemon Snap.
Oh yeah, Pokemon Snap was 2021.
Yeah.
Pokemon Snap.
You know, some of these like smaller games are stuff from this year, like
How are you guys doing? How was the rest of Minecraft?
already.
How you all doing?
Going. I think Solitaire Conspiracy was from this year.
But mainly, we just played a lot of Animal
It's your
Crossing
first
and Genshin
time?
Impact.
Unfortunately.
Your Minecraft virginity is gone. Incredible. All your old clips will be resurfaced here. Fear me. It's fucking dope that you found a geode. I love geodes in Minecraft. Owie. Go wait and run. Yes, make sure you two take care of yourselves. Go get food. That was the Summon Litchi redeem. And many cool redeems. Ignore the Cult of the Lamb ones. Yeah, I got quite a few. You make me speak like Mario. Thank you, Robo. Thank you, Char, for pelting me with Litchi. There's a reason it's Kenshi's favorite. I'm trying to figure out where... Alright, date menu, activity.type. The function name date menu should not contain underscores. You know, Jade and Char got Smooch the wife. I got get pelted with your husband. That seems pretty dope to me. Bah. I gotta teach you and Jade how to use tits. Tits ain't that hard. It do cost money though. But this is basically it. So then when you yeah. And it has a connection with Twitch. And then you got all this goodies. So yeah. Litchi. There's also this Litchi. Which... Huh. So now what if I throw... Do I get... Incredible. Very nice. Masterpiece. Alright, so we have... Why are we supplying a type even though it's the date menu? Bye-bye. Pasta la vista. I'm gonna check on my... I should check on my mom. So I'm gonna just be right back quick. I'm gonna be right back quick. I gotta check on my... I gotta make sure my mom didn't fall on ice. Okay, you can continue pelting me now. Okay. Still here, just chilling. Yeah, but Ken, she's pelting me with you. His activity type is... Where's type? Okay, maybe we should like do this. Just so we separate out what's UI, what's constants. All right, that's a view. It's also an async task. The consume task is also an async task. Let's put those together. Can be converted to a local variable. That doesn't surprise me. Okay. Store or items list. Okay. Um, date. It looks like we have belonging list selected though, and even though we typed due date. Um, okay, so I think we should probably be adding debug points here. Could also be that the async task is broken, which isn't impossible. Get status. Plays the cat emote? That's fucking cool. Where, oh, where? I need lower energy. We're gonna just chill out with the lower energy stuff. Why do I have this impending feeling of dread all of a sudden? Trying to ignore it. It's a little hard. So alright, let's launch it with debugging. I'm gonna sneeze my brains out, possibly. Let's see how that goes. Hopefully not destroying me. Okay, data. Alright, A. Where's user? This. Users, good. Maybe it did not like being paused there. Could be real. Doesn't it not matter if there's not a break there? So it breaks afterward anyway. We're gonna have to restart this. It looks like it borked. Well, that's always a good sign. Eesh. We'll just have to move a little faster. Date. So the selected one's behind? Is that's gotta be a bug. Cause store is selected right now. But you can see it's cut off by belonging. It says it's bringing it to front. Okay. Change the views the order in the tree so it's on top of their other sibling views. So ordering may affect layout. If the parent container uses order-dependent layout, this should be followed by request layout and invalidate on the view's parent to force the parent to redraw with the new child order. And invalidate or request layout. What's request layout? Request layout. Call this when something has changed which has invalidated the layout of this view. Hey Sethan, what's up? How's it going? What's up, gamer? Trying to deal with one bug at a time. Request layout. Layout. Got that relative layout there. Visibility gone. Alright, layout tab. Oh my. Uh, hmm. All right, there's quite a few issues here. So oh, come on. This feels like they tried to use too much to do one thing. Why would it even be visible? All right, here's a question. If we go to items, we get the same functionality. Yep. Okay. Action. Press, focus, default. So when I click on it, or it gets really light. So is that before I assume that item button list item tab. That's active. Select default. It's enabled. Something's just not right with this. So set the in the select one, right? Set enabled. Set the enabled state of this view. How's this? We put that at the back. Because it seems like we're still doing something here. We're doing stuff after we bring it to the back, front, whatever. Button store tab, button list item tab, action, tab store, store select. Okay. All right, asset now, res, drawable. Button. I have a feeling this was not implemented correctly. Why not hyper-focus on this detail? Sure. It'll probably give me a better understanding of a lot of the workings. Then I can deal with the network issues that are, or whatever parsing issues occurring. It might give me a chance to clean up code, which I'm always down for. So this is design item. Alright, so they're all the same, just different sizes. Okay, that's good to know. Alright, state focused, true. There's store action and store select. I should just loop this. No, I just disabled shuffle, that's what I did. I'm learning how to deal with my audio setup. Alright, so something's all messed up with the drawables. They look like garbage. It's like, it should be relatively simple to know which one is selected and which one isn't. So I'm thinking it should be light like that when you're clicking on it. It should probably look like this when it's selected, which is correct. And then the darker one should be when you click on it. No, the lighter one's when you click on it. The darker one's when it's like in the not the active one. Because confusion. Okay. What are all the states we can have? pressed. I'm having ADHD as fuck about this. Focused. Light as hell. That's also not. Alright, let's figure out, just from a get-go, how many JPEGs do we have here? How many images? Okay. We have a level background. What does that look like? Dope. Sure, I'm down. Alright, so we have, looks like each one has its regular, active, select, regular, action, select. Alright. Alright, so select there, select here. They both look the same. Good. Action versus active. Okay. Canary factor. What is, we have the item, we also have items list tab level background. I don't know what that means. Okay, then we also have the button store tab. Button store tab select. So they both go, okay. Enabled. I'm pretty sure that determines whether or not we can click the button. Cause we have belongings list here. And it's like that. All right, so is having it darken to click is not an issue. But the one that isn't selected is so bright that you kind of think. Okay, well the main issue here is that the one that's not selected is brighter than the one that is selected. That innately is just a problem. So either this needs to be the selected one's brightness, and this one needs to be not the selected one's brightness. Because I just don't know, man. Why is it like this? Why are you like this? It's confusing me. Scorch the earth. Why do you do the things you do? Didn't I tell it to repeat? I'll play the witchy version of the song. Okay. There's a way we can do this, I'm sure, with one drawable XML. Because we've enabled the store select, right? Focused, though. When the view has input focus, but it doesn't have input focus. But belongings list, no, belongings list doesn't, because, and that's why it doesn't. It's not in a press state, but it's in its like default state. Okay. So whoever set this up thought that for some reason it just automatically focused on the thing. So, and then when we unselect it, right, turns into, like when we go to belongings list, right, it lightens because the default becomes this light one. Okay, so state pressed being that's fine. We need something other than focused. Like, is that... like, can we say, right, like this dot button tab item store dot set focusable All right, well, we're setting it to store, right? So, is there a way we can check if it's disabled? Enabled, disabled. Okay. This belonging list is the currently selected one. But it's not the focus, so... We're gonna say set focused. Focused means something specific, and it's not what's going on here. So state enabled false. I'm gonna kill it. I'm gonna kill it, you media player. All right, when you get to the end of the song, what are you gonna do? Good job. Good job. Mm-hmm. Goblin is puzzled. And the goblin not sure what to do. Alright, set enabled, false. Yeah. Wait, no. When enabled is false, we want the lighter one. And the default, we want please don't let me regret this. Okay. Well, wait, what about the... Show context actions, rearrange context attributes, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, they got the focusable true. Because, let me try this, right? Yeah, see when I tab over into it. I can only tab into the one that's not active. And then it becomes like that. That's what focus means. It's like for keyboard stuff. So I don't know, can I say like because if I go here, right? Oh. Don't you freeze on me. It totally froze on me. Gonna cry. Okay. We're gonna go like that. Hold your horses. Yeah. Alright, the pink one is the only one that should act appropriately. Gotta keep that in mind, because I haven't changed the blue one's code yet. I haven't even confirmed whether or not my plan for getting the ordering of them to work properly is good. But I shouldn't need to change the drawable, and then I can move set a T, and I have to piss. Yeah. Goblin has to pee. Oh shit, I have a bunch of this still. Alright, I gotta piss like the gods. I'm curious though. Alright, and then when I click now I should, yeah, it's supposed to get darker like that. And then and keyboard navigation works now. I don't know why I need keyboard navigation for a phone game, but I have it. Alright, I'm gonna be right back so I can piss. Oh my god. Okay, let's see here. So it appears the way I did the thing is good. Is very good. So we can delete that. And probably eat this. The bring to front still doesn't seem to work. Huh. Alright, let's get the coloring working. And then we'll figure out where to go from there. Alright, so button, item list tab. Yo, is this tab delimitation? Or is this space? Disgusting spaces. Gross. Be gone from my sight. Fenabled. Bit of a workaround still, since like disabled looks like is lightened up, but that technically means it's like selected. So that works out. Gonna have to figure out what to do with Alright, what we're gonna do. Active, we're gonna rename factor the active ones. Wait, let's delete the select ones. I don't want a safe delete, I want to delete it unsafely. Buy gas. It's amazing how much like test code's in this app. Okay, button list. Store. Okay, let's name these something that makes sense. Alright, active would be the darker one. So we're going and we're using them for pressed. So why don't we refactor this to be like pressed? Alright, action, refactor, rename, pressed, refactor. Alright, the select one is normal, basically. So then the regular one is kind of the selected one. Okay. We're going to refactor the normal one to just be the normal looking one, because that just means it's regular, it's selectable. All right, same here. Items, refactor, rename, selected. Then we rename the select to just the regular. What? It's because I have it open in a way. Refactor, rename. I mean, I know that you want something done, you gotta do it yourself. Where are you? Isn't there like a open in file, open in Explorer? Okay. Whoopsie, I refactored it manually. Clumsy me. Regular, selected, pressed. Dope. And we got rid of useless code. Hell yeah. Now these buttons should be less confusing. They're really confusing right now. Okay, so what do we gotta do? Okay, so which one's enabled, which one's disabled? We bring it to the front. prior to KitKat, this method should be followed by calls to these variants first via okay. Let's look it up. Android bring Android view bring to front. Not working. Are we invalidating at all, or? Okay. I can only pray that this works like this on older Android and I'm not breaking something. You should see the way I have the backport stuff. It's kind of disgusting. Or the way I backport features into my old branch. It's been a bit, so some of you might not know this, but I like the idea of having code that just kind of works on every version of Android. So I have a different branch of this code that contains a lot of stuff to make it compatible with versions as low as the lowest I've gotten it will run on currently is Android API 9, which is Gingerbread. But I think I can get it onto at least Froyo, Android version API 8. I think that's Android 2.1. I might be able to get it even lower though if I really try. Which is a fun little challenge, but the issue is that I lose a lot of modern features. Some of them I use, some of them I don't. It's a bit of a mystery. Why does this ad box look so ugly? Why does it look so squished on the, like, one side? Maybe it's just the way it's scaling. I mean, look at you. I guess you look okay. I don't even think it's scaling though. Bizarre. All right. So one thing that I need to be doing is invalidating I need to invalidate it. I see something that says I should set the elevation instead of doing the whole bring to front thing. Let's see. Control F is my friend. It says prior to KitKat, this method should be followed by calls to request layout and invalidate on the view's parent to force the parent to redraw with the new child ordering. Can I get the parent just through? Maybe, who knows? This get parent? Yeah. Do list. Alright, let's see how she works. I mean, part of me says that there is no reason this should work. And part of me is like, yo, what the dog doing? Set elevation. Added an API 21. Yeah, that's a bit of an issue. It always seems like it's the one in the back though. Here's an idea. What if I don't disable anything? Store is in the front. Belongings is in the front. Store is in the front again. It's the disabled thing. Disabling it sends it to the back, or forces it in the back. So enabled. The interpretation of enabled varies by subclass. Alright. For a button. So I think these are just normal ass buttons. Yeah. Alright. It does not give me anything new info-wise. Okay. Activated. Selected. Okay. We got selected, activated. Changes the selection state. It can be selected or not. Note that the selection is not the same as focus. These are typically selected in the context of an app view, like a list view or grid view. The selected view in the view is that is highlighted. True if the selected. Okay, so what is activated? Changes the activated state of this view. A view can be activated or not. Note that activation is not the same as selection. Selection is a transient property representing the view hierarchy the user is currently interacting with. Activation is a longer-term state that the user can move views in and out of. For example, in a list with a single or multiple selection enabled, the views in the current selection set are activated. Yeah, we're deeply sorry about the terminology here. The activated state is propagated down to children of the view to set on. So selected. True. Selected. True. Okay. Set enabled true. Selected. Wait, let me back up. Well, in case I fuck everything. Wait, ew. I would never get caught dead delimiting my code by disgusting spaces. Whoosh. Disgusting. Icky. Alright, so yeah, the true and false do not have equal letters in them. Whoopsie, I can spell. Alright, so then do false, true, copy because I'm lazy, true, false. Ugh. Alright, let's run her. You know, this is kind of making me think we could use this handy dandy function called bring to front. Oops. All right. Let's see how it goes. This will either work right or it'll suck dick. Date. Skip. Hey, gamer. Not gonna lie, that's pretty fucking badass. And then we can refresh the shop just by clicking the store icon again. An unintended side effect, but one I'm glad to have. Ugh. Titty. Damn. 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 All right. Let's see here. For versions before Lollipop, we're going to need to call the thing that refreshes the parent. Execute load item task. And therein we run into our problem. Ugh. What to do? What to do? Well, one thing I'm thinking of, right, is that maybe we don't need to invalidate it because maybe this execute items task like handles that somewhere. We've greatly simplified the code. Clickable, true. Focusable, true. I think this is supposed to be the default one, so also just bam there. Android selected. They took you, Nightman, but you don't belong to them. I'm clicking on the belongings button, but I'm getting the store. Something's not right there. Something's very much not right there. Wow. That looks disgusting. There's a big gap in the middle. Huh. Am I okay with that? I mean, it's not terrible. It's just not great. Well, I mean, I think I could make it a 9 patch. I have to remember how to do the 9 patch stuff. Might be better just to leave it for now. Maybe I can add a little hidden button back there, and when you click it, it goes. I still want to hide bad apples somewhere in the app. I know it would be a stupid thing to do, but I like adding little Easter eggs, like the blue loading screen. Litchi got it once naturally. I was so happy. All right, let's redo the debugging and see if maybe something was just a little off with the quitting the code. Okay, yeah, so that's normal because we're going to store. Click belongings list, click store. Okay, it's fine. I click store again and it does that. Okay, quick store. Yes, belongings list. I have no idea why it did that one time. That is very strange. Okay. Invalidate. Bring to front. Alright, there's a request layout. And then there's invalidate. I'm gonna do request layout because that seems nicer. We have to do get parent dot request layout. Okay. We're gonna kill that in case that just happens to fuck with anything. Okay. So... Cool. This is basically... Yeah, this is basically... It executes this. Okay. Because it's gonna bug me, and I better take care of it now. There's a queue. Most things in this game that I haven't touched yet have it. And half the time they're useless, and half the time they're doing something. Okay. Oh. Oh, hello, Doxa. Shit, I had a thing open, and oh my gosh, Ralphian, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. There's a fucking Applin, and there was an Applin in the chat. I missed that shit. How is you both doing? Thauxa, the precious goblin idol. How are you feeding? Hmm. Pardon me. It does just put the width to that. Does that mean it's gonna stretch it? No clue. Interesting that does a +10 though. Hmm. They took you, Nightman, but you don't belong to them. They left me in a world without your dark and sexy hands. And I miss you, Nightman, so bad. Alright, let's, well, bam. Hmm. 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 Alright, well, the Q is definitely doing something, I'm not sure what. So I'm not gonna fuck with it right now. Hmm. It does say item cannot like equal null. Oh. Oh. Yeah, there's a check right there for if item does not equal all. Kanojos are cute, thank you. You're cute. Alright, here we are. I think Diz is reading Plus Size Elf, which kind of surprises me, because I would have figured Diz would have read that already. I need to read more Ancient Magus Spread. I'm like halfway through. I'm like on chapter 46 or 47 or 45, somewhere in there. I like it. It doesn't quite have a lot of hook in me. At least the main characters don't, but I do enjoy it. I think it's a very, very interesting world. The no friend for icon. Okay, so Kanojos. One thing I do need to do is I need to overhaul the HTTP shit. Because on newer phones it looks ugly as sin. And because I think we can do a better job for protocols. Screw HTTP based stuff. We're going back to Gopher. Reject modernity like HTTPS and HTTP. We're going back to Gopher protocol, bitches. Maybe FTP as a treat. Alright, go to declaration. Go to Declaration of Independence. Oh yeah, what's the type? That's right. That was the issue. I think I can close this too now. So activity type. Store item list. I'm audible, right? The music isn't too loud? Just want to check. What if no one can hear me? Ah! gift, extend date, extend gift. I don't quite get that extend. Okay, I could be muted and no one would tell me. Oh. I haven't eaten French fries in so long, and now I'm thinking about it, and now it's kind of driving me nuts. Am I on this page? I need to go here. No, there. Just move. Just move. Just other side. There we go. Good job. Good job. Wow. Insta catch. Power of the idol. Alright, date, item, class. Man, the shop is so fucked up for Barco Kanojo. Okay, here's an issue that we innately have. When you're on the shop screen, you have, like, look here, right? Where is you're shopping for stuff, right? I know it's probably hard to see, but there's like item numbers here. What irks me is that you would see like costs and whatnot, but there is no like way of seeing how much currency you have or any of that stuff. So that's got to be fixed. I'm also having genius ideas of unique dialogue for certain dates, which might already exist. I don't know, but if it does, one thing I also want to add is dialogues that are deterministic based on stats. Because all the Kanojos will react the same. There might be stat deterministic. Actually, I don't know. I feel like that would be server side. We wouldn't really know. So I should probably what is all this? It's all invisible. No item. You can now buy items from. You are now able to buy item from store. I like how that's not even like pointing to the side where the store is. I don't even think I've ever seen that dialogue. Huh. Huh. I'm thinking. I just don't know where I would put it. I guess we got the list view, so our activity Kanojos. We got this. Let's add, because this contain, okay. User profile view, go to decoration or whatever. Right, view underscore user profile. Yeah, stamina, Kanojos, tickets, Bcoin. Those are all but the Kanojos are important things for shopping. Could it be we somehow say, hey, visibility gone? Yeah, but it appears that we then have an extra thing there. So You know, maybe I think like if we got rid of the other, if we toggled the other separator, it'd probably be fine. So come on, I want to copy you. Do a, yeah, put it above. Show context. Let's rearrange. There we go. Is that going to look okay? I'm kind of thinking no. Because I think that the black bar there kinda maybe I should make like a simplified version of the user profile view. User profile shop view or something. His stamina, Kanojos. We don't need Kanojos. You just need stamina, tickets, B-coin, and level. Could be we just yeah, I'm thinking I like the idea of a like profile here. And we always have the users like stuff and context, so it wouldn't be hard. Could have it change colors with the list. Maybe. So for temporary sake, I'm going to put that, keep this here. I think that would be right. I know this thing is used in a lot of ways. That's really weird. Alright, so that's the first boot. It's the title bar. Custom loading view. No item. Well, where's the list view? That's the list view. Okay, so maybe it's not used as complicatedly as I thought it might. Yo, there's a Shanks in the chat. I like Shanks. Small little lion creature. Alright, so as a temp reminder, putting that there. So then I'll make like a modified version of this. And it'll all work out. Paboon. Okay, so ignoring that, we have this. All right, well, this is where we'll see what we get from the server. Since it seems like, what do you mean Shanks got away? That's bullshit. Don't worry, the Shanks. Why did you not just give it to me? That is not fair. Forgot how fucking cool the shit I made was. We're debugging right now. Yeah, we are debugging. Why did we not make it down the chain? All right, let's try that again. We'll add another debug symbol. Breakpoint, I guess. Detto. Okay. Yo, Wogcat, you got anything to say about what the fuck just happened there? You got can't start, no. That's dynamic image cache. Okay. Let's try that again. We have a lot more breakpoints. Okay, so something in the response parser isn't going correctly. Alert parser, model parser, model list parser. Okay, let's just go to. I'm gonna hate this because I'm gonna have to run this on everything, and it's gonna be a pain in my ass. I'm just gonna be clicking next a lot. All right, before we go up to response or alert parser, let's. Yep. Detto. It didn't get to the model list parser. Okay. This is gonna suck balls. Mm. Mm. Okay. Wait, we can mute breakpoints. That I said mute breakpoints. You slut. Okay. Oh, what a beautiful feature. Okay. There. Dunk. What happened? What the fuck happened? What the fuck? What? Okay. What happened? All right, server. Mm-hmm. I'm not. I know I'm getting like a can't communicate with server error of some kind, but I'm not exactly sure what kind. Alright, so this is clearly happening very high in the chain. Okay. I don't think it's even getting there, so why don't we take a look at the execute HTTP request. We do get a toast error. What is the toast error? An error occurred while communicating with the server. Okay. An error occurred while communicating with the server. Error internet. Mm. Um. So we're handling an exception here, aren't we? It would have to be an on post execute. So an exception occurs, right? Catch exception, M reason equals Z. That'll tell us. Thanks for literally nothing, I guess. My own error reporting system. Eh. This might help. I don't know, printing the stack trace of the error instead of just quietly saying, I don't know. Let's see. Response is no. Server is shut down. Try again later. It's the image. So this is where our issue lies. Okay. Okay, so if we go back to our HTTP shit. Our HTTP connection had an error 500. Do we throw error 500? No. So why are we getting error 500? I don't know. Response is no. Okay, where's the response is no coming from? I don't know. Server's down. Try again later. I assume that this is not, that's not the alert, that's the actual HTTP. So something is wrong with the server displaying that. All right, when we get there, let's take a look at the connection we create. Date, okay. Okay, the connection. HTTP, Kanojo, HTTPS, kanojo.goujir.com, port 443, API, communicate, datelist.json. It's a get. Method is get. Kanojo ID equals 871. There's almost 1,000 Kanojos at this point, probably. Yeesh. What monster have I created? Okay. Maybe I should look at the server log. It could be that some sort of exception is happening. Okay, I think I set it up so that I could... Yeah. Oh no, guys, you're gonna find out my IP address. Alright, I mean, it's definitely something on the server side, I think. Okay. Okay. I think I might restart the app. Just in case. Okay. Okay, let's see what happened. Storage manager object has no attribute underscore dates. Okay. This is store manager, storage manager. This is store manager, okay. Self.dates. Undefined attribute reference dates request store manager. Okay, wow. Well, shit. I think I'm beginning to remember the half-baked bullshit I did. Okay, that might be... Item category ID. Wait, these are store items. I was like, this doesn't look like dates. Date items.json. Okay. Well, there's already JSON errors I can see. Did my iPhone? Okay. VTuber Studio crashed. Okay. Okay, amusement park, Mount Fuji, movie. Tickets. Eventually I want to get rid of tickets though. I don't know. I gotta get piss again. Where's a goblin always gotta go urinate? Hello. Okay. Um We have dates. Store info. Get dates. Store dates. Dates file. I'm not sure what exactly I did. So, fuck. All right, I have these here. Okay. Very much see if barcode Kanojos stuck around a lot longer. Some very interesting features popping up out of it. Because what you really can boil everything down to with barcode Kanojo is you have like the building blocks for a dating sim that's completely structured around randomized stats. And I think that's kind of cool. And I wish that was explored a little more. Well, if I ever get everything working, maybe I could handle that. Cause I don't know, if we had like a movie seat background where she's like, I don't know, in the movie theater, and then you like play around with her and shit, and then she has like unique dialogue because of that, right? That would be cool. That would be awesome. But that's a lot of script writing that I don't know if I want to deal with, you know? Dates equals store dates dot get Item categories. I'm not sure if I quite knew what I was doing here. Because I know I was freaking around with it, but I don't know the exact method of my madness here. Items. Hi. Hello, young man. How are you? There's a little man clinging on to me. He's fluffy and his name is Peanut. Oh. Oh. Oh, fuck. There was a Larvitar in the chat and I missed it. What the shit? Oh, angry at myself. Mm. Okay. Okay, hi. Hello. I need to trim your claws. Holy shit. Yeah. Yeah. What? What? Why are you so baby? Why are you so silly? Smelly man. Okay, so I think what I was trying to do was I was trying to break this out a bit more. Into essentially, yeah, category dates. Okay. Hi. This is a mess. The current system doesn't work, and I hate this, like, everything needs to be a parameter to filter shit. I'm not a fan of having to do that work every time, or the computer having to do that work every time. I think we should just have that crap separated. Yep, I'm sniffing you. You better watch out. I sniffed you. Yes. Mm-hmm. Yeah, what'd you think of that? I breathed on you. You look very content with yourself. Or you're upset with me. Hmm. You don't have to act so offended when I cough. My dipshit son. There he is. I love him, but he's a dipshit. It's what he is. Can't change it. My lovely little dipshit. Okay. What do we do now? I'm not quite sure. I think this might be. It's already been over 3 hours, so I know I need to say, hey, it's that time. Let's see. If anyone has any raid redeems, it would be a good time to use them. Cause I think we're gonna raid somebody. I think we're gonna try to keep the mellow vibes going with just some art. Since that's about the easy logical crossover, I guess. So I'm gonna send you all off to Arcadia. He's doing art right now. So you don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. Thank you everybody for coming. Thank you Slimy Jade for the raid. And thank you for the new follow. I hope you all tune in next time when I smash my head against this date menu. And yeah, thanks for coming. Bye bye.